You clarify that.
The airport, people who are arriving other than the tourists.
Okay, the returnees and all that. Okay, clarify that. They will clarify these people. Because remember, within the country, everybody, you stay home except the patients are the only ones moving. But now, these people, they are saying that for returnees, that should be clarified. Okay, if you want to allow the returnees only, how about the ones who are living now? What do you do with them? You need to sort it out. The ones who say, I want now to go. Sort it out. Non-cargo cross-border movement, except for licensed tourist vehicles, is hereby suspended for the next 42 days. So now, here you are. Awo yogedde. With the Baganda, we say, Awo yogedde, you have spoken. Because sometimes you can speak, but you speak in nonsense. With the Baganda, we say, it is as if you have not spoken, although we have heard your sound. But Temuri can't. So now, the only cargo movement. So they need to clarify the returnees. They are not tourists, they are not cargo, they are returning. They just bring themselves back. Okay, thank you very much. We don't want you to be stuck outside there. But how about the one who wants now to go? You sort it, they will sort it out. Non-agricultural activities and markets. Efforts have been made to bring on board different actors, including Kampala's Capital City Authority and Ministry of Works and Transport, among others. However, the surge of crowds has not sufficiently subsided, despite the effort to enforce social distancing and the use of face masks. This might not take away the danger of spreading the COVID as envisaged. So therefore, my directives are as follows. Food market vendors should revert to the presidential directive of March 2020 to stay in their places of work. Bali abachara the ones who camped in the markets and were not going home. Those bazira, those freedom fighters. If the Minister of Health could give them bed nets, free bed nets, so that they are not bitten by mosquitoes, they can camp in the market and instead of for Barwanya, very well, Twachikolanga, would camp in the forest. So Minister of Health, move quickly, give these market people bed nets. They can camp there and sleep. Each one. When you sleep, don't sleep. Don't be together. Because we have found that in the army that causes inspection. People sharing rooms. It's not good. Don't share rooms. Let each one even sleep outside, but alone. Don't share rooms. Chikubo and other business centers should be closed, and the situation reverts to the presidential directive of March 2020 as far as the Chikubo is concerned. Those Chikubo places are very dangerous, but the food markets should remain open, only that the sellers should camp there, assisted by the Minister of Health to give them overa to shield the rain, and the the nets for the mosquitoes. Barriers. Whereas the compliance on this has been low, the high risk factor assessed is the pressure of people seeking permission to go and attend burials from place to place. This poses the highest danger of spreading the virus and breaches of the strategy. Therefore, barriers to be restricted to the core family as applied in the military. One of our people, first of all, my uncle died during this corona. I never went to bury him. He was buried at Raikitura, next to my father and mother, but I never went to bury him. Because I was adding nothing. I was not going to resurrect him. But I would bring a crowd. So my